What do you think about the Kathmandu's waste problem?
All we need is a little effort in waste management. We can become an example in the whole world.
So who do you think is responsible? कसले चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ होला?
All of us, the government, the people, the individual, the education system, the economy. It is just a matter of degree of tolerance. You know what I mean? Is that today we can tolerate. Our tolerance is very, very high. You see, littering in the streets, you tolerate. Okay, when the tolerance limit goes down, then you will not tolerate. If the Nagar Palika is not doing a job, you will not tolerate. You will start protesting. Hey, clean that. If somebody is throwing bottle from the running bus, you will stop the bus. I can't say it. So tolerance limit is very, very high.
So what tips would you like to give to the municipalities or government?
A clean city is the reflection of the performance of a mayor. The more the city is clean, the better the mayor is.
Okay, yes,
Doing. We don't do it. We only think.
Okay, we
Just do it. There's a term called just do it.
just do it.
Just do it. We just do it. Okay.
सो अब हाम्रो जति पनि वेस्ट चाहिँ अहिले ल्यान्डफिलमा गइरहेछ नि त्यो ल्यान्डफिल नै हो त लास्ट सल्युसन अफ द वेस्ट.
The amount of waste going into the landfill is drastically reduced now. If you really analyze it, most of it is being recycled, right? So many recycling plants are coming. They are doing good, but we are learning by doing. But the thing is that we are getting better every day in waste management. That is important. Once we get the taste of neat environment, clean environment, we get used to it. We'll not go back. So we are getting cleaner every day. We are getting better every day. So we can speed it up. So let's be very, very positive. Solid waste will be managing pretty well in the coming years.
Even if I recycle, even if I separate the things, the waste, but then Nagarpalika will.
Don't worry about Nagar. You do your job first.
Okay.
You do your job and you leave it to Nagarpalika what they do. Mero one point suggestion to all the people in Nepal itself is that once we start developing segregation, that is the 50% solution. So segregation at the household level is very, very important. That's what we can do right now. They segregate or not, I don't care. But you and I start segregating. Okay?
So you just talk about waste entrepreneur startups. Do you know any of them who is doing like good job? Or?
Actually, I know quite a few of them, but recently I have heard about. In fact, this is called they call themselves Khali Sisi. I'm glad that they are doing very good. All right, they seems to be very, very promising in the days to come.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are most welcome and good luck. All right,
Thank you.
Good luck.